changing one feature, and that's not good, and that can make things hard to get into the main trunk of Blender. You can always patch and make your own version of Blender. If you know just a little or read a little tutorial on its online, you can make your own version of Blender with your own changes and use it without any problems. But we didn't want that, so we made this special branch. We got some strange features on it, and people like it.
What is Blender developed in?
Blender?
Blender, what is it developed in? Which language?
Oh, it's mostly C. Yeah. It's made in C, but the game engine is C++. Something like that. Most of it. And also some Python, but it's all C, and the game engine is mostly C++. So this is what I should be running here if I will make it through the lava. Okay. So yeah, there's some things. It won't look like this in the game actually. This is some collision meshes. These are the real meshes. You won't see this black thing. They are collision, set for collision, so you don't get through. And Blender doesn't have to calculate the collision of the mesh in every polygon, like right here, read everything. You just put plane, and it will be much easier and lighter for Blender to manage. So let's go to the end here, and here you should see the boss of the level, and that will be our first level. So people can take ideas, can take some gameplay, like the ledge grabbing that I couldn't show. I'll try to later. But some properties that I can take from this level and to apply. We try to apply all the gameplay in one level, so people can use it as a reference. Like, okay, I want to do this, and they have almost the same in the test level this game. They can take all the ideas and put it into their own games. So, well, yeah, what I was saying about the Blender development is that thanks to that we had this other branch of the main Blender development, we could add experimental features that we think they are useful, but not all the people think about that, and not all people think that way. But exactly, some people like it, and we have the support of the community, and we can say, hey, you see, some people like it. It can be into the main branch, and hopefully we can get some features there. But mostly all the nice, pretty eye candy you see here, it's going to be there.
Earlier you mentioned that when changing an aspect in the game would make some people annoyed or irritated that this isn't as it was before. But why don't you just make it as in 3D Studio Max, like plugins? Then the user could just take plugins you wanted and then just use them.
Yeah, actually there are ways to do that, but the code is open, so you can make your own version. You can get the patch. There is an open place where everybody can open an account and submit their patches. Even I made some really basic buttons movement, because for rendering, for example, here you can render either in 100% or 75, 50, 35. I found some little reference code and changed little thing. Didn't go into the Blender, as you can see. But I use it at the moment. It's really useful to set it as a 400, 500%. So that's really, really basic. I don't know anything about it, and so you can have an idea of anyone can add their own things. If you want to change this for your website address, you can do it, and spread that Blender version everywhere, and it's totally legal. Splash screen, everybody changes the splash screen. Some of your wheels have another image of Frankie throwing a ship, I think. Some of your computers have this version. But as you can see, you can change almost everything.